Have you ever planted peanuts in your home? No. So try this method and enjoy your own peanuts in your garden. Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can grow your own peanuts at home very easily. Simply you can buy unroasted or fresh peanuts from your local market or store and remove the upper skin of the peanuts. So let's move on to the video. Please follow my method and watch the video till end. So finally I remove the upper layer of the peanuts. Now you can see. So let's move to our next steps. I am using lunchbox tissue paper and place the peanut seeds one by one. And place the peanut seed with little bit space. And then cover the peanut with upper layer of tissue paper. For watering, please add few drops of water. For moisture, please do not overwater your peanut seeds. Now you can see. After 3 days, as you can see the moisture on the lunch box. Our tissue paper is quite wet. Remove the top layer of tissue paper. Now you can see our peanuts start germination very well just in 3 days. As you can see, we got a good germination result, only 2 to 3 seeds not germinated. Now you can plant your peanut seed into large container or plastic pot. As you like, I am using plastic pots to grow peanuts. Use a pot that have more drainage holes. For potting mix, I am using 70% garden soil with the ratio of 30% compost. You can also use river sand as you like. let's fill our pots. Now it's time to plant these seeds. Make 1 to 2 inches holes and place peanut seed one by one. Please watch the video till the end. After placing the seed, cover the seed with the thin layer of potting mix. Then we have to sprinkle water on it so that our soil gets wet. Place the pot in direct sunlight. After 5 to 6 days planting peanut seeds, peanut plant starts germination very well, as you can see in this video. Few peanut seed not grown, but it's okay. I have one part with successful germination growth. Now it's time to separate peanut baby plant. First, I will show you rooting as well. You can see our plant start very well rooting system in soil. For potting mix, I am using coco peat. Coco peat give me a good harvesting result. transplanting peanuts into cocoa peat. Our peanut starts germination very well. As you can see, avoid fertilizer with high level of nitrogen. Harvesting of peanut. Peanut will be ready for harvesting when the leaves turn yellow and begin to wither, usually 120 to 115 days after planting. You can get a good harvesting result. Thanks for watching this video. For more gardening videos, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel.